Hello students. Now today I will discuss exercise 3.3. Here I am Bipin Sukla, TGT teacher at Umana Singh Higher Secondary School. Now start question number 1. In which quadrant or on which axis the each of the points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and -3, -5 lie? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. First of all, I will tell you this exercise you do on the graph paper. On the graph paper you do with easily understand more and more. So first you make the two axes, x-axis and y-axis, and take the same quantity, same unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and upside also, and left side -1, -2, downside -1, -2. First we have to locate the point -2, 4. -2, 4 means on x-axis -2 distance and on y-axis 4 distance, that is positive. Means this coordinate lies in between second quadrant. So -2, 4 is the right points. And second 3 -1, 3 is positive, -1 is negative, means x positive, y negative, the quadrant is fourth quadrant. So here we have indicate 3 -1. -1, 0, y coordinate is 0, means ordinate is 0, it represent y axis. And here we will indicate by dot 1, 2, both are positive, means first quadrant. -3, -5, that is -3, -5, both are negative, so it will be lies in third quadrant. This is all about. And one more thing, from graph it is clear that -2, 4 lies in second quadrant, 3 -1 fourth quadrant, -1, 0 on y axis, 1, 2 first quadrant, -3, -5 third quadrant. Second question, plot the points xy gives in the following tables on the plane, choosing suitable unit of distance on the axis. Question given on x, here table given xy -28, -17, 0, -125, 1, 3, 3, -1. See, here we take graph paper, means 1 box is equal to 10 small units and 1 big units. So this is axis, we represent 1, 2, 3 to 8 points like this, one horizontal and one vertical line. We represent first 1, 3, which is here, and 0, -1 to 5, this is here between 1 and 2, and 3 -1, 3 on positive x-axis and y is on negative axis, and 2 more, that is -1, 7 and 2, -2, 8. This is all about exercise 3.3. That's all. The chapter 3 complete. Make your notes. Any problem, revise the lectures, revise the introduction. All the essential things of this chapter is in introduction only. So thank you class.